Good morning, guys. Uh, Welcome to Bankers Bikers channel. So, first of all, thank you so much for the first 500 subscription, and we are really grateful for that. So, it has been long. We thought, hey, let's have a discussion on how we started this journey uh, from being an anchor to being bikers. So we thought we'll give a small introduction of ourselves, our daily life, and how we started riding as a banker biker couple. So before we start, we thought we'll introduce ourselves. My name is Prasoon.
My name is Anju.
And we are into the banking sector for the past 15 years. So basically, biking जो as a hobby है या as a passion है, it did not start very early for us, to be very honest. As such कुछ ऐसे नहीं लगा मतलब मुझे इनको कि बाइकिंग हमारा पैशन है या कुछ ऐसा है. स्टार्टिंग में कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं था. तो जैसे हमने बोला कि we started 15 years back as bankers. तो रोज सुबह वही रूटीन होता था, मॉर्निंग 9 o'clock निकलो, सो 9 to 5 ना. कहने के लिए इट इज कॉल्ड 9 to 5 जॉब, बट वो कभी 9 to 5 नहीं होता है. वो जो 5 है वो इवनिंग का भी 5 हो सकता है और मॉर्निंग का भी 5 हो सकता है नेक्स्ट डे, विच इज लिटरली हैपेंड. सो थिंग्स वर प्रीटी हेक्टिक एज अ बैंकर्स. जो बैंकर्स होंगे दे विल बी नोइंग कि कैसे होता है. इट्स वेरी हेक्टिक. सो ऐसे करते करते जॉब, फैमिली और इन बिटवीन बेटा भी हो गया. वी हैव ए 10-year-old सन नाउ. हिज नेम इज आर्यन. सो ऐसे करते करते 15 साल निकल गए एंड वी डिड नॉट रियलाइज कि भाई ये टाइम कहाँ निकल गया. सो देन सडनली वी रियलाइज्ड कि यार 15 साल निकल गए, वी डिड नॉट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट आवरसेल्फ. आई मीन चलो ठीक है, जॉब तो कर रहे हैं, इन बिटवीन ब्रेक्स भी ले रहे हैं, ठीक है, जाते भी थे वेकेशन पे, बट एज सच कोई खुद की जो एक आइडेंटिटी होती है, बिकॉज चलो एज अ बैंकर आपकी आइडेंटिटी है, बट व्हाट अबाउट अदर थिंग्स जो आप करना चाहते हो, ठीक है ना, विच यू लाइक डूइंग. तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था हमारा. तो हमारे जो पीयर्स थे या हमारे जो फ्रेंड्स थे, फ्रेंड सर्कल में थे, वेरी एक्टिव सोशल मीडिया पे. मेनी थिंग्स वर गेटिंग पब्लिश्ड और पोस्ट भी करते थे काफी सारी चीजें, वेकेशन की वीडियोस, कुकिंग की वीडियोस, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. ठीक है ना, सबके अलग अलग पैशन होते थे. तो हमारा ऐसा कोई पैशन नहीं था. सो आई थिंक फ्रॉम देयर वी स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग कि भाई क्या हो सकता है, कुछ तो एक करना चाहिए अपने लिए, विच गिव्स अस जॉय. थोड़ा कुछ अच्छा लगे भाई, थोड़ा स्ट्रेस बस्टर भी हो, प्लस थोड़ा एडवेंचरस, बिकॉज शी इज प्रीटी एडवेंचरस. मैं उतना ज्यादा नहीं हूँ, बट वी थॉट कि देयर शुड बी समथिंग इन बिटवीन कि दोनों को इंटरेस्ट लगे एंड वी कुड परसीव इट इन द लॉन्ग रन. सो उस तरीके से 2019 में हम लोगों ने उसको थोड़ा सीरियस लेना चालू किया. कि मतलब ऐसा नहीं है, मैं बाइक पहले भी चलाता था. सो माई मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट, कम्युनिकेशन नहीं, मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट टू ऑफिस वाज बाइक ओनली. बाइक से जाते थे, बट वो एक नॉर्मल रूटीन सा था. ऐसा कोई पैशन या ऐसा कुछ ऐसा फील नहीं होता था कि भाई कुछ बाइक चला रहे हैं, ऐसा कुछ. सो इस तरीके से चालू हुआ. सो 2019 में I bought my third bike. That was a third bike, but वो जो बाइक था that was specifically purchased for riding purpose. कि भाई संडे राइड्स है, कहीं अगर जाएंगे घूमने के लिए. So that bike was for that. It was a KTM 250. तो वहां से हमारा स्टार्ट हुआ. तो she was my pillion as well as my cameraman. उस टाइम पे ऐसा कुछ Insta 360 वगैरह आता नहीं था. So ऐसा कोई गैजेट्स ज्यादा कुछ हाई फाई थे नहीं, तो कैमरा से ही शूट होता था. तो थोड़ा बहुत आसपास संडे राइड्स वगैरह करके we started. So this is how our biking journey started, and how she became a biker, then she will tell now.
Well, I have been a sports person since my childhood. I have been in many activities. Being a part of some reputed colleges, then being a part of some reputed institutions, like right now we are. So we were having many responsibilities. We were in the trap of same life, responsibilities, future goals and everything. Suddenly we take the pause. We realize what we are doing for ourselves, what we Like we are doing for family, we are doing for institution, everything. But what personally we are doing for us? So I was a pillion since I was a pillion with him. So I used to ride with him. I enjoyed it. I loved it. Then all of a sudden, on a day of a discussion, we thought, okay, why not give it a shot? Okay, let's ride together on a different bikes. So I started with small Splendor. I tried on Splendor basically. Once or twice. Then I got confident, and then we decided to got my job. So we started, but it was not easy because we started in 40s.
Yes. So, just as I बोला, I did not start early.
So we realized that there's no age, but yeah, age definitely comes. The later you start, the things will be pretty difficult. But again, motivation should be there to achieve the goals. So, and you should be there with each others to support you. And he was my support system at that time. He supported me a lot. Maybe some partners can discourage at that time. Okay, why so much expensive bike to start with? I started with 350 cc. So that was a big thing. We started initially 1 year. We lost like that. Okay, like in some hassle के नहीं टूट जाएगा ये होगा लगेगी.
And she fell off also once or twice. So थोड़ा discourage हो जाता है आदमी कि भाई अब एक बार गिर के confidence थोड़ा हिल जाता है. But I think at that time it is more important to give confidence to your partner, because मैं जानता था, because तब तक मैं 4-5 साल बाइक चला चुका था already. So I knew that this is part and parcel of bike riding. तो ये अगर आप गिरोगे नहीं तो आप सीखोगे नहीं. That is what I feel. So then that encouragement should be there.
There was a day when first day we ride together, and that was a thrill. That was the thrill of my life, I can tell you.
That was really exciting.
Really excited. And we were like racing like crazy youngsters, like college guys. We were chasing each other maybe at 110 speed, and I realized I was not at all afraid of anything. And this is how we started our journey. We planned many trips, small. We started with the small trips. We have a son alone to handle with. So in many rides, we take him with us. We have some friends and families who supports us for some long rides. They keep him there.
So basically, he's my pillion now. Well, he was a pillion. Pillion has changed now. So they are my pillion.
So in future also, in other videos also, we will be discussing like how what struggles we faced, and how important it is for you to do something for you.
Yes, it could be anything. It could be anything.
It could be anything. It can be like a cycle ride.
Yeah.
It can be anything.
It could be jogging. It could be running. ठीक है, हम थोड़े आलसी हैं तो फिर जॉगिंग रनिंग हम नहीं कर सकते. So we thought कि भाई कोई लेके जाए हमको तो ज्यादा बेटर है. So bike takes us from point A to point B. So jokes apart,
riding is not about only destination. You should enjoy the journeys. Like
exactly,
we used to go on like vacations and all with a car, but it was like destination reaching. We used to see the destination, but once we started biking, we were enjoying the journey.
So enjoying the journey is more important, as many people have said कि भाई अगर आप जो जर्नी आप लेते हो, you should enjoy the roads, you should enjoy the views. ठीक है, एक overall holistic experience जो है वो बाइक में आपको मिलता है. कार में क्या, it is close. I'm not saying कि car is bad or bike is good, but it's just our experience. Different perspective.
That's it.
ठीक है. So it gives a very holistic experience. आप कहीं भी जाते हो, लोग मिलते हैं, लोग they feel happy.
They appreciate
you.
They want to connect with.
Yes. So this is how, like, in short, we started our bike journey. So there are many more videos, many more trips that are planned, which will happen eventually and will get uploaded. So
we will keep connecting with them.
Yes,
right?
we'll keep connecting with you in these videos. If you have any concern, if you have any questions, you can message us, or connect us. Yeah.
Especially the female riders who
Yes.
wants to begin, who are college going, please go ahead.
Yes.
If you need any help and need discussion, please reach
With
us.
yes.
We will be helping you and we will guiding you. If not helping you, not guiding you, we will be definitely giving you some solution. So please reach to us.
Yes. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Keep riding and keep smiling. So Aryan will say bye.
Bye.